Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see a tool called Pigeon.py. So the Pigeon.py is the best brute forcing password generating tool. So it is upgraded from the Cog.py. So I have created this tool. You can just go to my GitHub repository. That is the github.com/mauliksource. So the link will be in the description box below as well as the repository link. So you can go there and take a look at the repository. So make sure you follow me on the GitHub too so you can find the latest projects. So the Pigeon.py is a best brute forcing password generator. So we can just copy this link. So you can see I have given the installation process. You can also go with this. So firstly, let us do a git clone. So I have already done a git clone. So you have to just do a git clone like this. And once you have done a git clone, you can see a directory is created. That is the Pigeon. So let us do cd pigeon and let's do list. And to run this program, you can just enter Python 3 or you can just go with the Python and enter Python 3 Pigeon.py -i. So you can just enter like this. You will be probably seeing this interface. To run this program in an interactive way, you have to enter -i. So the -i is for the interactive, and also I've given the options over here, so you can just go and play with it. So let's enter -i. So as soon as I enter -i, so let me enter -i. So as soon as I enter -i, it is asking for the victim name. So let the victim name be John. So if you don't know the surname, you can just skip it. And the nickname, if you don't know, you can skip it. So let us set a date of birth. So the date of birth, let it be 31/01/444. And if you don't know the partner's name, you can skip it. So I'm just skipping it. The child's name and pet's name. And now it has asked for some keywords about the victim. So if you know keywords about the victim, you can add it. You can say just yes. So it is asking for special characters at the end of the words. So let us give yes. And it is asking for, do you want to add some random numbers at the end of the words? So let us give yes. And lead mode. So let us say yes. And we can see that the directory is saving in john.txt. So let us say hyperspeed is nothing but you can see every passwords going through. So you can see there are like 5290 words generated. So let us say no. And let us say list. And we can find, so I have already made a john.txt file. So let us make another name. So let us say pigeon.py. Let us set it a new victim name. So let's say Mike, and let us skip all these, and let us say yes for this, and yes for this, and yes for this. And now let us do a hyperspeed print. So as soon as I do a hyperspeed print, you can see that the passwords are generating over here. We can see this. So let us do a Control-C and let us do a list. And we can see that the mic.txt has been created. So let us do mic.txt and we can see all the password has been created. So I think the Pigeon.py is best for the password generating for brute forcing and the dictionary. So one alternative tool for Pigeon is the Crunch, whereas the Quell Quell is not going to be a best alternative because it just drags it just finds the information from the websites and makes the password, whereas the Pigeon and the Crunch is different. The user input the victim, the words, and we generate the passwords. So anyways, I hope this Pigeon.py tool will be helpful for you guys. So I think this is one of the best password generating tools. So please work with this and make sure you give a star and fork this. So that will be motivating for me. So that's it about this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the tool. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.